This is a tutorial to show you around the Google Classroom. I'm going to show you how to join Google Class, the classwork tab, and see all your assignment posted and the calendar page. Number 2, how to view one topic at a time. Number 3, click on the upcoming section to see all the assignment that has been graded and or the assignment that you need to turn in so that you can start working on it. Number 4, what each of the icon means in the Google Classroom. So if you are already familiar with Google Class, you can go ahead and skip or fast forward to the section that you need. Please get the current Google Class code from my webpage. You will go into the correct class period for Miss Nong. It will show your current year and also the subject. You should, if you are in geometry, for the purpose of this one, I show you geometry. But if you join algebra or college algebra, it should say so on the very top. Okay, so on this stream page, you will be able to see everything that Miss Nong posts for you currently today or this week on the very top. And you can also type in your comments or questions or anything related to class. Make sure that you keep it academically related right here and post it. Okay, so on the very top here, I have a message for you. It said, "Hi student, I'm glad you made it to our online classroom. We are going to have some fun learning with videos, Flipgrid, and Google Forms and more. Enjoy, Miss Nong." Also on the very top left corner, you will see the class code. If we have a new student in class or if someone needs the class, that is another place to get aside from my school webpage where you click on class code. This one on the classwork, you will see all the topics on the very left hand side. And then on the right hand side, at this time, you will also see that under DL August 24 to 28. DL stand for distant learning, and we have it organized by the date: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. So let's say if I am on the very top, when I click in here and I just want to see one topic, what I could do is I just click on the number 3 right here, and there it will show me just one topic at a time. Okay, so now I'm going to go back, click on classwork again, and I want to show you the Google calendars. So this is a very useful tools. It will post the assignment for math, for English, for history. If your English and history teacher have Google Classroom, it might show in different color in here. So anytime you check this page, you will see your assignment vocabulary word is due on the 21st. Okay, so this is a very good page to keep track of your assignment when it's due. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this one. Okay. There is also one more place I want to show you. If you click on the stream again, you will see the upcoming section on the left hand side. It said due on Tuesday, your vocabulary word, and inside the bracket it said graded. So make sure that you click on and turn in when you're done. And then once you turn it in and you see your grade returned to you, you will make sure to check in Airy portal and see that the grade has been recorded correctly. Okay, now to check and see which assignment have I turned in and which one have I not turned in, you click on this button. It said view all. You may also go to the top left corner right here, the main menu, and click on the to do page. Okay, so here, scroll down and you can find to do right here. You click on that, or you can access this from the view all from the upcoming section. Okay, so the student view will be slightly different than the teacher, because student, it will show you, okay, these are graded, these you need to work in or to turn in. It will show you that instead of this. This is for the teacher view. You might see it slightly different from the student view. Finally, I'm going to show you what each of the icon is. The clapperboard means that you have video to watch. Your teacher posts video, and it usually under material post or just regular post. Okay, the second one is the red alarm or the emergency red sirens. That's the graded work. You must click on turn in to get it graded. Check to make sure that the grade is in correctly. You will also see the target for tests and the red alarm. That means after you're done with the test, you must click on submit to turn it in. Okay, exclamation mark is a place where I can ask for you your inputs, your comments, or it's a way for me to take attendance sometimes. So make sure you click yes to turn in. And finally, you might see the icon for composition notebook or the paper clip. What this means is that this is when you should pull out your composition notebook or a piece of papers and write down the information, especially if you have the paper clip. That's also the vocabulary word that we want you to turn in to get graded. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care and bye for now.